tested it. There's water-based, oil-based penetrol, and my formula. Let's see if I move around a little bit, if you can tell the difference. I mean, it just looks like, it feels like a gloss clear coat. Good morning. Finally gonna wipe the rest of this down. Old Chief here. I don't know if we're gonna call it Chief or Hopper. It looks like that, you know, Stranger Things mobile. Anyway, I got the formula, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally hit it on the 4th one, so I'm gonna wipe it down. I'll put a piece of tape down the middle, so I'll wipe down this half. I'll wipe down that half. But if I split screen, do it at the same time, I think it'll go twice. So, oh, look at that. That's going twice as fast. Oh my God, it's like a mirror. It's like a mirror image. That's gonna go twice as fast. My other side right there is perfect. Is that good? Yeah, I like that side the best. So, which side do you guys like the best? Which side do you like the best? My side? My side? Or my side? I think my side's better than my side. No, that's too thick. This is thin. I think my side's perfect. I don't know, man. That side. I'm so close with myself, I finished my own sentences. Sandwiches. Why would I finish your sandwich? That doesn't make sense. Oh, you idiot. This is some high IQ stupid happening right here, people. Come on. You don't want to miss this. Try to keep it off the glass, you know, but it'll wear off the glass sooner than it wears off the rubber. So you just go for it. Maybe work the top. Yeah. Oh yeah, I even like it on the fiberglass top, and nice and thick on the fiberglass top, and it just seals it, and it stops the fiberglass splinters from coming off, which is annoying. It just keeps that from coming off. Very annoying. Well, welcome guys. This is going to be a super fun channel. We are twins. I'm Bill. I'm Bob. And we are the Fabricating Twins. So we call our channel the Fab Twins. Yeah, it's just a couple of idiots doing fun stuff. We have a lot of fun stuff coming up. So yeah, cool rigs. And we're just going to, you know, build budget builds. Extreme budget builds. We are tightwads. We're broke. We're broke. We're broke budgets. But fun adventures. Yeah, it'll be a good time. Yeah, it'll be build, thrash, repeat. So we'll get some adventures too. So yeah, it'll be fun. You don't want to miss it. It's gonna be cool. So yeah, let's stop messing around. Quit. I don't know whose freaking idea this was. Grab this thing. Let's get out of here. That was stupid. Let's get going. Stupid idea. Let's get. Yeah, there we go. All right. Now, which side do you want? Do you think they really bought it? That there was only one of us? Ah, no, that's a split screen, baby. Yeah. Let's switch sides. All right. Brilliant. Let's get doing it. You want to do some, were you holding your stomach in on that one? I was trying to look thinner. Were you sucking it in a little? I was trying to suck it in a little. I wasn't consciously trying it, but yeah. Well, I'm older, so I was trying to, it's a straight on. We should match. Yeah. I think my arms are bigger. I don't know. I tried to deflate them for tighter. Yeah. Good. You are putting it on a little too wet. See how mine's, yeah? I just did the corner. You soaked your whole dang rag. Oh, I see. Just so it doesn't run. It'll dry better. All right. Yeah. It's good enough. Start spraying up. All right. It's looking good. That is good. Yeah, we need a ladder on this side too. Yeah. I'll get. And while you're on the subject, actually, this one takes longer to dry. So
okay.
that penetrol, you know, dry in a couple hours or something. But this one, you're going to want to let it dry for days.
Yeah, okay.
A couple of days. You
So
know,
if you're
before you
doing
go
this,
nuts on it, it's dries tacky in an hour, but before
so
you
if
go
you're
nuts
doing
on
this
it,
outside, don't do it on a dusty day or a day that's going to be windy in that time frame.
exactly.
All right.
And it's, you know, not gonna, the rock's not gonna stick in there, but dust would, and it just makes it thicker. Doesn't ruin it per se.
Look different.
That. Hit the bumpers with something else.
Well,
Get
yeah,
a little
yeah,
closer right here, Johnny. Get this last little bit that's not already covered. Already wiped down. I like to just wipe the chrome down with a 4-aught or something. I don't want to put this on it, but you can go over like emblems and stuff. You don't have to be so precise. This isn't a swing away emblem, so it's going to get little runs and then like that, and then just come back and hit them.
Yeah, that looks good.
Good protectant. It does, but it doesn't. It locks in the shine for, you know, a year or two, but it's not very shiny. It's not as shiny as that stuff you can spray on it, so you can never make it any more shiny. So I don't like to do it on the tires, because you can wash the tires and wash them and shine them up as much as you want. You put this on it, you can't really wash them off. You're kind of stuck with the shine you got. It's a little bit, you know, matte on there, so you can do it. Certainly could if you want to, and it would protect them. It protects them really good. This protects it from the rain, sun. I mean, I think that's a good bro tip. If you got a project you need to get to later or whatever, you can cover it with a tarp. But do this first. It's going to protect it, keep it up, you know, protect it from the rain and everything until you get to the project.
Yeah, probably if it's out in the field or something, you don't even need to wash it really.
No.
Just slap it on if it's going to be a year or two. And
yeah,
that is nice.
Isn't that cool? And
God,
then
it just looks like
you just move the emblem out of the way.
Yes,
you wipe behind it.
That's the
that way.
swing away, breakaway emblems. Those are nice.
way.
You don't get those everywhere.
That way, this no runs. Oh, that's the good stuff.
Sweet. I think it's ready for a car show.
Oh, hell yeah.
Well, the front half is.
At least a mud show.
Yeah. Didn't you do this on the 75?
I did do this on the new project I scored. That's going to be a fun project. I'll introduce that one. Maybe next we'll introduce that one.
I'm looking forward to my 72.
Look at numb nuts. It does look kind of cool. Just driving down the street. Good thing we weren't going anywhere. Just in the little neighborhood. Went, you know, half a block. And he forgot to tighten the freaking lug nuts. We've been moving this thing around. And look at that. What an idiot.
Oh yeah.
What are you gonna do?
Everyone's gonna like that one. It's can I tell you? That's a 1972 Chevy Blazer. Oh, and it is a honey. She's almost a survivor. Original paint, original engine tranny.
It is a survivor. You didn't change anything.
Yeah. Yeah, I think there's very little on it that isn't completely stock. It was my high school car, like right after high school. So it's my favorite. It's my baby.
And I had a 73 in high school. He had a 72. So he had the last year of the round body. I had the first year of the square body.
You should show him that picture of us at Pyramid. Blazers.
Yeah, you're going to love it.
Yeah. Oh, we're going to do some. The one thing I'm really looking forward to too is the Suburban builds, because we're going to do some bug outs
and challenge.
Yep, we're going to do a challenge. We both bought matching Suburbans, and we're going to see who can build a better one for a bug out.
Yeah, we'll insert photos of that too, because Johnny doesn't have enough to edit.
That's right. We should probably have like you know, all 13 of our subscribers right now could watch us, and then they could just vote on it. Like, because one of the bug outs should be for long distance travel kind of thing, and one should be for more off road, if you ask me, kind of thing. But we'll see what people want, and we'll just build them kind of with some input from everyone else. I think that'd make it fun.
Don't tell my older brother, but mine's going to be EMP proof.
What?
Stick shift.
Cool. I'm going to park mine in a Faraday garage.
Yeah. And then there is another really cool one. And we're calling it Caddyshack. So we got my dad's 54 Cadillacs, and he's since passed, but I think I'd like to fix those up for him.
Yep.
Because that's what car guys do.
Yep. We love the nostalgia of it.
And we got to name the projects because we're getting too many of them now. So you guys tell me, do we call this Hop? Do we call it the Hopper? Because it was Chief Hopper that had it in Stranger Things. My kids said, this thing looks like Stranger Things, the police car. And you can't write police on something, obviously. That's illegal. So I put projects, Hawkins Projects Department. And she loves it. The kids love it. But what do you guys think? What should we call it?
I like the Hopper.
Yeah, Chief is just like,
I thought it was too
generic. Chief.
I thought it was silly. You watch these guys, you watch Matt's Off-Road, and you watch Murphy's Diesel, and you watch some of these guys, and they name their cars. But it dawned on us after we started collecting some projects, and we're extreme budget builds, so we're buying these projects at $500 and $800. But when we started to do them, we started to talk, and I'm like, all right, which one should we do first? Should we do the 79 or the Suburban or the whatever? And we got confused because we have 10 of them. So
391s.
Yeah. So we had to start, and we'd start to go, well, which one? The 91? Okay, the white one or the blue one? Oh, the white one. So after a while, we're like, you know what? Let's just name these things.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll get on the channel and have some people help name them.
Yeah. The red one, we just call it Red Dawn.
Yeah.
The white one, I don't know, white
buffalo, white Sierra, whale.
Yeah. You got one that just needs patch panels. Every single panel needs a patch.
It's rusted out.
So we just call that one Patches.
That's my 84. It looks like this, but it's funny. They match. And when you're a twin, it's weird. Sometimes you just end up with matching things because it's you have the same tastes and all that. So we ended up with matching blazers, bought them at different times, didn't know each other, bought them. Same with the Suburban, same with our house, same with everything. It's like you just kind of end up. Our wives are very different though.
Be careful when you do the rubber that you don't get a black streak on your rag and then wipe the black on this truck.
Oh, okay.
Because that happens. Then you just wipe it back off. But
nice. I'm getting the push button on the door handles too. Looks good.
Yeah.
I think the channel will be mostly, like I say, just budget builds, a couple of regular guys. We don't have fancy car lifts or huge garages or a lot of money. So it's just going to be
friends.
Yeah, friends or any
or
of that,
subscribers.
Or looks. But anyway, it's just regular guys doing budget builds, using stuff that we have in our yard or friends gave us or whatever. So pretty common man projects, kind of what most people would do with projects. And I think a lot of adventures, because we do like to go four-wheeling, camping, hunting, fishing, all that kind of stuff. So we do like to go get our truck stuck. We haven't changed much, and we haven't matured much, really. After all the stuff we've done in our lives, still didn't make us any smarter.
Yep. And we're almost, so this is our retirement plan.
Yep. Yeah, it was kind of a good idea for a retirement plan because we like hanging out. We both had different jobs. He was in Hollywood most of his life. I was here in healthcare most of my life, so we didn't get to see a lot of each other after high school, college days. And so it's kind of nice. We like hanging out. We like working on these things. We like the same thing. So it's like, let's make a channel so we can say that's our retirement.
Forces us to hang out and do fun stuff we want to do anyway.
Yeah. So if the channel doesn't take off and we don't get 1 million subscribers, that's all right. Yeah, we're still going to do this anyway. It's like, this is our retirement. This is what we're doing. We just thought, maybe we should film it since we're doing it anyway. And we get to hang out with our nephew. That's the best part. Yeah, nephews, they don't want to hang out with old people. Young people don't want to hang out with old people unless you're doing something fun. Oh, that's probably my wife. That's probably the old boat anchor. Let's get it.
Yeah, somebody's been calling me too.
Cut. Thanks for watching. Keep your comments coming. Like and subscribe,
Don't
whatever.
subscribe.
If you don't, we don't give up what you do.